Welcome students for Standard 6 General Science Lesson number 4 Disaster Management. Before we proceed, we will learn the objectives for this lesson. What is a disaster? Types of disaster. In natural disaster, earthquake, floods and their effects. Observe the picture carefully. What events do you see in these pictures? Earthquakes, drought, floods, forest fire, cyclone and volcano. You might have faced some of these situations. So, in this lesson, we will learn some of the disasters. This lesson has been introduced to you so that you are aware of the reasons behind it and also know some of the precautions which you can take during this disaster. After learning this lesson, your mind should be prepared to act in these kinds of events. Let us discuss in detail about disaster management. What is a disaster? A sudden event that causes large scale damage to life, property and social aspects of a nation or society is called a disaster. In this picture, you can see various kinds of disaster events. Now, let us see how disaster occurs. The disaster occurs due to heavy rain, which causes flood, then due to an earthquake, lightning, forest fire, volcanic eruptions, etc. Then, due to high density of population, increase in a limited area. Then, due to one irregular structure and ecological imbalance. Then, due to the terrorism, riots and crimes which results in bomb explosion, fire and accident, etc. So these are some occurrences of the disaster. There are two main kinds of disaster: natural disaster and man-made disaster. In the picture of natural disaster, you can see disaster like flood, earthquake, etc. And in the picture of man-made disaster, you can see bomb explosion, fire, accident, etc. What is meant by natural disaster? Natural events that occur large scale damage to life, property and social property of nation is called a natural disaster. In this picture, you can see various natural disasters like lightning, flood, fire, earthquake, etc. Man-made disaster. When human action responsible for large-scale damage to life, property and social aspects of a nation are called man-made disaster. In this picture, you can see various man-made disasters like bomb explosion, accident, etc. Kinds of various natural disasters: earthquakes, floods, storms, forest fire are some natural disasters. Earthquake. What is earthquake? Interior of the earth release tremendous amount of energy which makes some movement in earth's layer. This causes seismic waves which in turn causes movement of the earth's surface, and this results in therms shaking, cracking up of earth's surface. Such vibration or quaking in the earth crust is known as an earthquake. On 30th September 1993, many people died due to the earthquake at Kilari in Latur district. This caused human life loss along with financial loss. Besides natural causes, man-made causes such as mining and construction of big dams can also lead to earthquakes. Now, let us see what are the effects of earthquake. There is destruction of infrastructure such as buildings, bridges, roads, railways track, etc., which lead to excessive loss of life and property. Which leads to excessive loss of life and property. Sometimes it also causes change in direction of the river flow. So, these are some effects of earthquake. Floods. What is meant by floods? An overflow of river, etc. due to large amount of water beyond its normal limit is called as flood. This disaster happened in Mumbai on 26 July 2005 when many people had lost their lives in the deluge caused by heavy rains. During floods, water is accumulated at one place in very large amount. Due to excessive rains in the same place, result a river overflow its banks causing a flood. Due to this overflow of water, drainage system in big cities get choked. This causes overflow of gutters and drainage lines, and hence water get accumulated on the roads and surrounding areas and even enters nearby houses. Effects of floods. Due to floods, there is huge loss of property and life. Flood causes. Due to floods, there is causes soil erosion, due to which crops and trees are destroyed. Flood causes spread of epidemic disease, due to which many people fall sick. What we have learned. A sudden calamity is known as a disaster. Disaster can be man-made and natural. In natural disaster, we have learned earthquakes and flood and their effects.